Hi all, in this video I'm going to explain how to create Git repo in the GitHub and few of the Git actions which are important during the development of the project. First, let's create the Git repo. If you see, this is the GitHub dashboard and here you can see the new button. If we click on this button, it will open the repository page. Here we can give the name of the repo. Let's create name first demo. And if we scroll down, we can see some of the options we can ignore for now. But here we can see the create repository. If we click on this button, the repo will be created. And this is the repo that is created with the first demo name. And how to clone this repo. And if you go to Visual Studio Code, this is the new window tab. Here you can see the clone repo, and here you can see the clone from GitHub. If you are connected to GitHub, click on that and you can see that repo that are available in the GitHub that we have connected. We click on this, then it asks for the path where to have it, and if we select the path and select as it on clicking on this, it starts cloning over local VS Code. It is asking to open the repository or not. Click on open, then it will be open. For the demo, let's create one sample page. Here we can see the new file option, folder and other options. If we click on new file, here we can create new file. Example index.html. Clicking on enter, it will be created. Let's create sample HTML file. To global and HTML file is created. And here you can see the files changes in the source control. And if we click on this plus icon, it will be added to the stage. And this is a commit box. If we want to commit with any commit, then we can commit the message. For example, first commit, and if we click on this commit button, it will be committed in the Git. And when we create the branch initially, it will show the public branch. And if we click on this public branch, it will be published. Here you can see that the file is pushed to the GitHub. And if you want to create new branch, here you can click, and if you click on this create new branch, then it will show the info box. Here you can have the new branch. If you want to publish it, you can click on publish branch, and here you can see in which branch you are in the Git. Here you can see the new branch that we have created in the Git. Let's create another file. Second.html. Level 2. And here you can see the file changes in the branch. And if we click on this, it will be added to the stage, and we can type one commit message. And if we click on commit, it will be committed. And if we click on this push, then it will be pushed to the GitHub. Here you can see the compare and pull button. If we click on this, we can see the create pull request. If we click on this, it will be created the pull request. And here you can see the pull request. If we want to merge this, click on this. Here you can see the options with no conflicts with base branch. Click on merge pull request, and here you can confirm merge. If you merge that, you can see that second HTML in this branch, in the main branch. Both the branches are merged to the main branch. And if you click on this fetch, by going to the main branch, here you can see the two incoming changes that are pending in this branch. So for that, if we click on this pull, it will be pull the latest from the main branch. And this is all about the Git and some of the actions important for the project development. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.